Hey guys, back with another video with a review this time around, and today I'm going to be reviewing the Ontario 498 USMC fighting knife. This item was sent to me by a seller named Shaq VP293, and he sent this through priority mail, and it took approximately 3 days to get to my house, which is pretty sweet. I've had this knife for about a few days, and I like it. I kind of like it. It comes in this leather sheath that is secured by these rivets right here, and the leather sheath feels pretty sturdy, and it has this snap thing. You can leave it off if you want to, but it'll help if you want it to be more secure. And it doesn't it actually stays relatively snug in the sheath, as I'll show you now. Oh, I shook on it a little harder, a little bit excessive there, but overall it stays relatively secure and no rattle. The only thing that moved was this little snap thing. And now onto the knife itself. You might notice that I have some marker on it. The reason for this is that I gave it to my mother because she knows some guy who sharpens knives and stuff. And when she gave it to me, she told me that he took off some of the zinc phosphate finish, and then because of this she put marker on it to cover it, which made it look even worse. And I'm thinking of putting a Duracoat on it to make it look a little nicer. The blade itself is the knife in total is 12 inches, and the blade length is 7 inches, and the handle is 5 inches. The blade is made out of 1095 high carbon steel, and it is a rat tail tang in the sense that the blade is pinned at the end where the steel pommel is by this little thing right here. And it has a clip point, and due to this little edge right here, in some places it might be considered a double-edged weapon and will be illegal, so you have to check your laws. And the handle is a leather stacked handle, and it has some sort of coating. My guess is that it's an antifungal coating to keep it from disintegrating in jungles and stuff. And it has what I think is a steel handguard, which is pretty nice. I've used this to chop some pine. I did a little bit of work with it, and it chopped the pine pretty good. It was pretty dull it was kind of dull when I got it. I was a little bit disappointed, but other than that, the quality is there. In conclusion, I would say this is a good product. It's cheaper than a K-bar, but it's pretty good quality, and it feels like it will take a beating and it'll last you a lifetime. If you're looking for an outdoors knife or an EDC knife and you live in a state that's very lenient with its knife laws, then I could definitely see a use. Then I could definitely recommend this. And also, if you want a quality knife for a fraction of the cost, then I could also recommend this as well. And this concludes my review on the Ontario 498 USMC fighting knife, and I will see you guys next time.